In this video, you'll learn how to put databases side by side in Notion. This process will help you create a more organized and visually appealing layout for your data. Begin by navigating to Notion and signing into your account. Once signed in, open the page that contains the databases you want to arrange. Ensure that editing mode is active, allowing you to make changes. It is important to prepare enough horizontal space on your page to accommodate two databases side by side. Reviewing the layout before making any adjustments will help you visualize the final arrangement. Next, locate the first database block you want to position. Click and hold on the block, then drag it slightly to the right. As you do this, a blue column guide will appear indicating where the database can be placed. Once the guide is visible, release the block to position it in the new location. Now select the second database block and drag it next to the first one, ensuring it aligns properly. Adjust the widths of both databases to ensure they are even and visually balanced. After positioning both databases, it is time to finalize the layout. Click on each database to test their responsiveness. Make adjustments to their widths if necessary to maintain a balanced appearance. Pay attention to the overall visual layout, as overcrowding the page can make it difficult to read the information. Once you are satisfied with the arrangement, be sure to save your changes properly to avoid losing your work. This setup allows you to view and compare information from both databases more efficiently. By taking the time to arrange your databases side by side, you enhance the usability of your Notion workspace. Keep in mind that maintaining a clean and organized layout contributes to a better user experience. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.